Good day, everyone. This is Joe Tompkins for Lendesk and Finmo. Today we are discussing some great integrations with your CRM and email systems, as well as mining the application submitted by a borrower to take some tasks off your desk. Let's jump into a deal. So, for our deal in Finmo, when a client submits an application, there's a lot of data that passes through. With our integration with Zapier, you're able to create a whole set of tasks that can be completed automatically. So the first one, application is submitted by the borrower, and you find or create a card in your CRM and then move that card. You can also create a row on a spreadsheet if you love spreadsheets. Then you can delay it for a couple hours and send a follow-up email explaining the process of working with you and your office. Create a folder in Google Drive or Dropbox or Office 365. Add a calendar event. Update or create a contact in your main contact system, and then only continue the next step if there is the goal of purchasing. Then the system will conditionally run. If a realtor exists, it's going to send an email to the realtor saying their client has applied. A potential introduction to a new realtor partner. At the very least, you are informing them and keeping them in the loop of what's going on with their client. And then if there's no realtor, you can create a draft in your Gmail or email account, whichever type you're using, to send an email to your client when you want to, asking for the realtor contact information. So you can send emails, you can create drafts, you can do a number of different things through the integration with Zapier. Hope that helps and gives you some great ideas for automating your business. Take care. Talk soon.